Welcome back, local lads. You don't know, so today it's going to be different. We in the we in Mamamoo land. We in Mamamoo.
When you laugh,
When you laugh,
Laugh
hard. So the sun a little hot, so you know.
Orchard.
Orchard, feel free to do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. You don't know. So do we crack it? Do we crack it? Oh shh.
No, we go pick up.
Yeah, we go pick up back all the rubbish and things. Don't study that. So
Today we want to have a story time.
how the dogs them met? How the dogs
it
them
could be 2 hours.
is 2 hours. And when Jeffrey come, we gotta do it 3
Yeah.
hours. We met, well, me and Nival. His son go get me black.
Yeah, boy.
I tell you, this son go get me black. It was Form 1, back at the class, to the side of the class. He come, he say, oh, where's the scene? I say, dog, I'm not feeling safe out here. It had real big men, big men like Rishi.
Yeah.
Rishi, oh good. We had to
Awesome.
put Rishi. I don't know how to contact post now. We say nah, we have to make friends with them because
Yeah.
them is the men and
Them
them
looking like hardback men.
them looking like the father, them is fathers. And the first memorable thing in Form 1. So we had to take part in a competition.
Some planet solar panel thing.
And-
Not solar panel. Some the
The
planet
solar
sound,
system,
but
the solar system.
Yeah, me solar panel. Solar system.
So I say I coming out real good. I had to I give any competition. I go and put motor and thing in mind. I go and spin so. When I come the next day, we had we favorite teacher too. Back in them days, she name was Miss Punita. We have a picture, we go put it up. And
They always you looking that pitch.
oh gosh.
But yeah.
So I put on my battery. Mac! Started things started spin so. Say Nival, watch that. You can't compete with me. Yeah. Watch this. He do the same thing. So 2 hours we had a spinning solar system. That day, the
But
teacher was real impressed, dog.
yeah, they take you thing to put it in the library or something.
Right, and that was it, dog. That was the moment right there, dog, when
I
I
don't
just...
think she don't give any.
She had them the rock back. But oh gosh,
But
oh gosh.
them say nah, we got can't handle this.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, it wasn't really for, you know, for life and thing. It's just for coursework, so, you know. This sun real hot, but I small things. Story time.
We
It's
sacrifice.
So, what were you talking about? Rishi. So we see some gangsters. You know it have Form 1 gangsters. Yeah, there's always had them big men and them. Say, Nival, Nival, what you say?
I said nah though, we had to go and
Make friend with
make
them.
friend with them.
Cause them is the top dogs in the class. We small and we go show all that picture. We was not like this. I could tell all of that. I short and fat and he tall and skinny. That
not
we
that
was.
tall, but normal
Yeah, yeah.
height now.
And we had to make friends. We say now we dead. When we go up, oh dog, Rishi and them, they don't know the dogs and them make friends with the with the normal. So you know we rolling from that day. That was in Form 1. And then in Form 2, well, an individual from another school come.
Well,
And he start to rank on this one.
breeze blowing out
So this
the back.
individual come, start to rank on this one. I say, Nival, how we testing you so? Hey, leave him now. I say, Rishi.
I know going on do the man. now.
Yeah, he wanted to do the man nothing. Because the man knew but he rank and he want to make
Yeah.
he name known. Rishi, kill him. Nah, let me say kill him. Rishi, handle it.
Yeah.
Handle it. Rishi take the man by 2 foot.
Russian.
First time take his hand, he 2 hand, and Rishi take his 2
The
foot.
plane rock cover UT.
They tell my hammock so Mac, retaki gate in the wall. From that day on, so they are humble. So
In Form 2, Form 3. We have to choose classes now.
yeah.
We choose the front class.
We choose-
from Rishi them.
Yeah, them choose.
But we are still partners now.
yeah.
So we and the same man now choose the same class. We end up in the drama class together.
And we end up real good
And
dog.
we end up as partners now.
And we had a group, so it was a good few hours in the group. I don't know if
drama group now.
I'll feel I'll have a picture. I'll put
Yeah.
a picture right there. Where all our we did together.
Yeah.
That was the group. It had Froggy.
Reno.
All let meet all of them. All
Yeah.
let meet all of them still. So I'll pop it here. Right. And that is when They say, sir, say, what is all the name of all your group? We cough.
Well,
You say Bollywood Boys?
Nah.
Nah,
that
Bollywood.
song in too.
That song another thing.
Local
lads
lads
is
is
the
in it.
thing. And that from that day on now.
Days now we hitting temple,
Yeah.
church,
Yeah, we used to.
party.
Right, hey. But now when you say
But yeah,
party, Thanksgiving
normal,
and praise
yeah,
and
normal.
like alcohol-free weddings and stuff. Because all our
Yeah.
families are religious people,
Yeah.
you know. So that
Now we start keep.
we start
Unit
Cape.
one.
Because we done all we done every subject standing in CXC. We start Cape.
We
Unit
decide
one.
to start gym.
Gym was not a hard thing for us. We had a lot.
With the help of a few needles.
A few needles and tablets. Within 2 months, we blow up like the chicken.
Oh, like you see how we was on.
Yeah, and just tell we, cause and that's how it is. We had to do exercise video for all you
We could do that.
to show all you how to exercise and thing, and what supplements to take.
Yeah.
But it's kind of illegal. Right now we're still in Form 6, Upper 6, trying to get through this CAPE exam, but
It apparently.
you know, COVID and thing.
Yeah.
That is okay. Hey, this breeze go. All I hear it.
Yeah.
Hear it.
A storm coming.
Storm coming. We didn't really
On a serious note.
we didn't- we didn't take them artificial
Hard
substances.
work and determination only.
Yeah, determination.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that way you gotta get big and gym and thing.
Don't take me.
Don't take me on
Yeah.
serious. Right, so and that was it. And now we end up here. And then is this coconut tree.
Doing a
See
video.
that
all
video. Let me show them the coconut tree now.
Alright.
Let me show them the coconut tree. Let me show them the coconut tree.
That video, but I
Cause that
don't
thing
think we
sun
got
burning. Well guys, don't forget to like
share,
and subscribe and see you all in the next one, dogs.
Don't know we just take what kind of needle they want to buy.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm joking because it's hard work and determination.
Hey boy, you setting me up for the kill,
Oh,
boy. Nah, we don't use no needle.
What kind of tablet you want?
Hey, no. We're not living Toronto, as you can see.
We're living in the tropics.
We see, look, you can see the clouds in the background, a big coconut tree hanging up. So that how it. The sun burning right now, but I small thing. I's a hardback Indian. I come from the what you call it?
We got
I come from
cut.
Bunj. Hey, Biggie darling.
Hey, you thought the video done? No, it had done. But for those who still watching, thank you, we appreciate it. We just want everybody to follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like the videos. Like the pictures and videos on Instagram. Text we messaging all the back. We liking all the thing. We following all the back. We just like to thank everybody for the huge support. And just continue, local lads. Yes, sir.